Which state has been declared India's fifth fully literate state under the Ullas program in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Which team won the IPL 2026 title by defeating Gujarat Titans? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Who received the UN Military Gender Advocate Award in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Major Abhilasha Barak. Pragati 2026, a 12-nation military exercise, was hosted by India in which state? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. South Coast Railway has become India's 18th railway zone. Its headquarters is located in which city? Correct answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam. Which Indian journalist won the Pulitzer Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Anand R.K. Suparna Sharma and Aniruddha Ghoshal. India's first hydrogen powered train will run on which section? Correct answer is option B, Jind Sonipat. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved an increase in the sectioned strength of judges in the Supreme Court of India from 33 to. Correct answer is option D, 37. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option A, 31st May. Who became the youngest swimmer to cross the Park Strait at age 7? Correct answer is option A, Ishank Singh. Where was the 11th Quad Foreign Ministers meeting held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who is set to become Karnataka's 25th Chief Minister in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, D.K. Shivakumar. Which country's senator visited India for a 4-day trip ahead of the Quad meeting 2026? Correct answer is option B, United States. Who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu on 10th May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Joseph Vijay, also known as Thalapathy Vijay. Who was appointed as chairman of Prasar Bharati in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Prasoon Joshi. Who authored the book Apnapan Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav, launched on 26th May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Who has taken charge as the new CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India? Correct answer is option B, Saurabh Vijay. Yu Min Aung Hlaing is the president of which country who visited India in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Myanmar. Under which act were the National Sports Governance, National Sports Board and National Sports Tribunal Rules 2026 notified? Correct answer is option B, National Sports Governance Act 2025. Who won the men's 100-meter gold at the Athletics Federation Cup 2026? Correct answer is option C, Gurinder Veer Singh. Where was the 11th Sanda World Cup held in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Macau. India and UAE signed major agreements in May 2026 in which sectors? Correct answer is option B, Energy and Defense. US-China Summit 2026 took place in which city? Correct answer is option A, Beijing. Who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Assam for a second consecutive term on 12th May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Himanta Biswa Sarma. Which Panchayat won the Best District Panchayat Award at National Panchayat Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sepahijala, Tripura. Where was the Athletics Federation Cup 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, Ranchi, Jharkhand. When is World Football Day observed annually? Correct answer is option B, 25th May. What is the theme for International Day for Biological Diversity 2026, observed every year on 22nd May? Correct answer is option B, acting locally for global impact. Who approved the transfer of 2.86 lakh crore surplus to the central government? Correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Which prestigious award was conferred on PM Narendra Modi during his visit to Italy in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, FAO Agricola Medal. Which state became India's first paperless judiciary state in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. International Tea Day 2026 is celebrated on which date? Correct answer is option C, 21st May. Who declared the Ebola outbreak in Central Africa a public health emergency of international concern? Correct answer is option D, World Health Organization. Who announced that India has become completely free from Naxalism in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Union Home Minister Amit Shah. India rejected the Hague Court ruling in May 2026 related to which treaty? Correct answer is option A, Indus Water Treaty. Bhojshala complex in Madhya Pradesh was declared a temple of which goddess in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Saraswati. Who was conferred Sweden's highest civilian honor, the Royal Order of the Polar Star, Commander Grand Cross, on 17th May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which board announced the revised three-language policy for classes 9 and 10th? Correct answer is option B, CBSE. How many total medals did India win at the 11th Sanda World Cup? Correct answer is option C, 5. Who became the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, V.D. Satishan. BRICS Foreign Ministers Meeting 2026 was held in which city? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Who chaired the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs that approved the MSP hike? Correct answer is option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When will the VB-G Ramji Act be implemented across India? Correct answer is option C, 1st July 2026. When is National Technology Day observed in India? Correct answer is option B, 11th May. Who took oath as the first BJP Chief Minister of West Bengal on 9th May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Suvendu Adhikari. India successfully tested which missile with MIRV technology in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Agni. Who was appointed as the new Chief of Defence Staff in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Who was appointed as the new Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Which Indian space startup became the country's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Skyroot Aerospace. Which platform was launched by Union Health Ministry to improve maternal and child health care in India? Correct answer is option B, Janani. To Lam, who visited India in May 2026, is the president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Vietnam. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification on 6th May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Which ministry issued the Gazette notification constituting the South Coast Railway Zone with headquarters at Vishakhapatnam? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Railway. Mission Drishti's Galaxy satellite achieved what milestone? Correct answer is option B, world's first Opto SAR satellite. Who was appointed as RBI Deputy Governor in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Rohit Jain. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which team won the IPL 2026 title, defeating Gujarat Titans by 5 wickets? And the question number second is, which Panchayat won the Best District Panchayat Award at National Panchayat Awards 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.